To make the delicious classical lassi, Mummy's Cookery Show gives you the best way to make it. At first, what we need is a bowl full of curd and a cup of powdered sugar. Here we have taken the powdered sugar instead of the normal sugar because it will blend with the lassi very well, and also it is quite healthy when it's compared to the normal sugar. So let's get started. Now let's take the juicer, pour the bowl full of curd here and add 1/4 glass of milk, which is most important, and add 1 cup of powdered sugar, and we have 3 to 4 ice cubes, which gives the chillness to our lassi. So finally everything is done, and let's take this juicer for blending. Remember that we have to blend it until we get the smooth consistency. So finally our classical lassi is completely ready to serve. Hope you all will try this classical lassi in your home, and it is one of the best to drink during this lockdown period. So never forget to like, share, support and subscribe. Thank you.